Pinch your nose and clamp your mouth shut. You don't stop the sneeze. You just trap it. All that explosive pressure, with nowhere to go, gets forced backward through your body. Here's where it gets scary. Your ears. Your nose, throat, and ears are all connected by tiny tubes called eustachian tubes. When you block a sneeze, that pressure rockets straight into your ears. In mild cases, temporary pain and muffled hearing. In rare but real cases, a ruptured eardrum. Your eyes. The pressure can also travel to the tiny blood vessels in and around your eyes, potentially causing them to burst. You've probably seen someone with a red spot in the whites of their eye. This is one way that happens.